notches, make sure that it's about 1/8 in, not more than that. Okay, so now I can take out 9 pins. Okay, that goes on this side. Okay. Repeat the same thing on the side front. Okay, without your notches, you can't sew them, so please remember to clip them. Okay, so we have these two done. Okay, so we've cut the heavy sateen. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the interlining and the lining together. Okay. Now when you're cutting, okay, so guys, you need to test to make sure that the iron can work on it, right? So that it doesn't shrink. Okay, I'm just gently going to get rid of the grease. Okay. Okay, so your interlining is the plasticky one, right? Okay, it serves more like a structure for it. So in dresses, you can use this type. There's also like the canvas. You guys did the jacket, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the canvas that you use in the jacket, you can use them in dresses too. Like maybe wedding gowns, ball gowns, couture kind of dresses. You can use those kind of canvas in them too. So you need this structure to kind of make it, you know, like more stiff, right? So that goes into the inside of the garment, okay? Then this lining clean finishes it, right? So you don't get to see the plastic part, okay, the nylon part. You only get to see the lining part, okay? So when you're cutting two fabrics together, okay, you have to make sure that the most structured ones go to the bottom, right? So let's say you're cutting lining and wool. If you want to cut them together, you want to make sure that the structured one goes underneath, okay? Because what you want to prevent is less movement, right? So when the thick part is underneath, okay, you're able to control the fabric on the surface, okay? So the structure one goes to the bottom. Okay, I'm just going to match selvages. Okay, also when you're cutting, since it's on the fold, you also want to cut from the outer side, right? From the selvage in, so that at least if you have some fabric left here, when you open it, you can get more fabric here, right? The goal is to save more fabric as possible, right? So you don't waste, okay? So always cut from the outside in, okay? Top down. right? Don't place things randomly. Okay. So same thing we did. Okay, I'm matching my selvage. Okay, make sure that it's flat, right? There's no bubbles or folds or anything. Okay, then make sure that your grain line is parallel to your selvage. Okay, and you're using as much fabric as possible. Okay, you're saving much fabric. So go together. Make sure that your pins are sharp.